Hello, welcome to my video. Today I would like to talk about you with a new technique or a technique. How can you impregnate your breath and at the same time put a wish on the breath? That means if you need something special, let's say you need success, you need health, you need compassion, peace. How can you do that with a simple breathing in? You can put your wish in the breathing in, and you can impregnate your body and your mind with this wish, which then should normally come true. So it is a very easy technique. I will show you exactly how it works. So you have to sit comfortably on your chair like this, in this position, and you breathe 5 times in and out, just soft, gently, breathing in, breathing out 5 times. And the next time you're breathing in, you imagine something that you need. Let's say you need peace, for example. So you close your eyes and you imagine with your in-breathing peace within your body. And you exhale, and again, peace within your body. And you exhale again, and you do it 3 times more. And then you come back and you go on with your daily life, whatever. You should not change the wish until the first wish is completed. So if you need peace, for example, really try to stay with this for maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks every day. And when you feel that you feel calmer, you feel much more peaceful, then you can change this technique for a next wish. Let's say like you need success. So inhale, success, exhale, and then inhale again, success, and then you exhale. Do it maybe not more than 5 times at the beginning. And then when you feel that life is becoming more successful, then you go to the next wish or the next thing, whatever you need. It's a very simple technique, but when you do it, when you inhale, you really have to believe that the wish that you are inhaling is already done, is already complete within yourself. So I really hope you're going to enjoy this. It helped me. All the techniques I'm showing you, I try them myself. So it's not something that I just read and I just like to share with you like this. It's something that I experienced myself, and I'm always going to share you just things that really worked, especially on me, and maybe also with others that I know as well. So I wish you a very, very nice day, and looking forward for the next video.